Okay, this is the place you walk in at. This is the outside door. And you eat. This is the kitchen. Here is the mudroom thing. It's very cold in here. Okay, there's Jacob. Okay, this is the bathroom where Jenna's peeing. This is my uncle's room, but Jacob and my mom slept in there. And then here's the living room. I slept there and Jenna slept there. Oh, here's the backyard. But I'll take you upstairs. It's creepy up here. Okay, this is where my dad sleeps. It's just a little room. And here's the outside. And then we have a little hall thingy here. Then over here, it's really short, so you won't be able to go. And then the attic. And it's just pretty boring in here. But here, nope, that's just the roof. That's what our farm looks like now. You didn't scare me, June. And then here's the back room. And then this is my grandpa's room. It's pretty boring because nobody stays up here a lot. And then we have a couch with all of our stuff. And then we have a TV, but I don't even know if it works. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'll show you the bathroom. Oh, look, June's booty. This is the bathroom, but there's towels all over. Hey guys, so I'm in the driver's seat because I'm about to start driving. Well, I'm 14 and a half, so I have a half here till I can get my permit. And yeah, so I'm practicing driving here. And my dad's riding a bike. Okay, so June doesn't want to drive, but I'm going to make her because she used to get
I don't like driving.
I love driving. I was driving this all yesterday around in the cornfield, and I popped my dad's tire. But, well, this truck is 15 years old, but it's going to be mine in half a year. Oh, yesterday when I was trying to turn off my, off the car, I accidentally turned the key the wrong way. So, yeah. Okay, bye. What chair should we go?
It's cold.
It is cold. Okay, so I'm in the middle of driving. Am I a good driver, June?
Yeah.
We were gonna make her drive, and she started crying. She didn't want to drive, so she started crying. Got back from driving, and now we're just watching Ridiculousness, and Jenna's over there, and my mom and Jacob went on a bike ride, and my dad is, I don't know what he's doing. I think he's like mowing the field or something. But, sorry I look like a hobo today. Oh, you're recording? Ooh, it's too hot. So, I'm driving again because, well, I've already drove like 6 times today because I am obsessed with driving this truck. I love it. But, so we're just gonna drive, and I think my brother wants me to follow him, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, it feels weird to be in the driver's seat. I feel so small in this truck because I'm like tiny. So me and Jonah just rode the 4-wheeler outside. So then we got bored and then we came in. It's 5:50. So we're eating Fruit Loops out of cups. Whoa.
I'm also having Cheerios.
And we're just sitting. I'm just sitting on a couch eating, watching iCarly. Oh, just letting you guys know, I've decided to become a vegetarian.
I'm gonna try, but I probably won't succeed.
I'll keep you guys updated.
My goodness.
She's choking. I'll keep you guys updated to see if I